Hey guys, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We're doing a home inspection on a home. Looks like it's in the middle of kind of being flipped. So apparently somebody gave it up and handed it over to another one. So something we found in the attic, they just re-drywalled the garage, and let's take a look. So this light fixture here is mounted actually, and weird to be here in the first place because it's got the globe. Go ahead and hit it. Yep, turning it back on. So this is the garage light. So what I mean by garage light, it's supposed to be on the ceiling. Instead of putting it on the ceiling, they put it inside the attic. So we want to make sure this is addressed, put back down where it's supposed to be. So even if you're buying to flip a house and you need to go through and figure out what's wrong with it so that you can correct it, we can do that for you too. First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspection.com, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.